Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Knowlton and welcome to Algebra 2A. I'm so excited to have you in my class. So this video is just going to be a walkthrough of how to navigate a Schoology course, where everything is at, and some tips and tricks to help you through completing this course. So this is the course homepage. You see it says welcome to Algebra 2 and we have these buttons up here. And just an overview of what you're looking at on the homepage, you have all of these folders, and this is where your units are going to be. So these first two are more of just informational, like how-to information, stuff about the class. And then down here, you'll see the units. So for Algebra 2A, we have 6 units here that you'll complete, and then your final reviews and final exam will be at the bottom. And on your page, you'll see that you have to complete each folder before you can move on to the next. I don't have that set up right now just so I can click through them, but that's how it's going to be for you. And so first, just to go through the top here, you'll see each of these are links to what it says on here. So if you click here, that's going to take you to the syllabus of this course. This is also under class information, and you can read through that. Here is the Google Meet link, and so that is going to be for Math Lab. So Math Lab, that's kind of like an office hours. That's when you can come in anytime from Thursdays from 3 to 4 Central Standard Time, and you can ask me questions. So if you're stuck on a problem or stuck on a concept, this is the time where you can come and ask questions to me, and I can help you through those. And so Thursdays from 3 to 4 Central Standard Time, you can click here, and it's going to take you to a Google Meet where you can join. And then here on these last two, these are pacing guides for you. So if you're wanting to complete this class in a semester, you would click there, and this just kind of gives you a recommended pacing of what you should complete each day. So like for the first day, you would complete the class information, how-to information folders. Day 2, you'd go to Unit 1 and you'd complete the solving linear equations folder. So if you follow this, this will allow you to complete this course in 18 weeks, which is a standard semester-long course. If you're wanting to finish it quicker, you can go to the quarter pacing guide. That will allow you to finish it in 10 weeks, or a little under 10 weeks. And then we can go into class information. And so something that you'll see, since I do want you to complete everything in order, you'll see that you'll only be able to click on the first thing, but you can't click on the rest of these. And that means that you just have to complete this in order. So I can click here, you can read some information about me. And then to get to the next thing, you can just click on the next button. And then it'll go through some more information. So this tells you ways to contact me. I can click next. We can see grading expectations. So just quick overview here. Everything is going to be worth 30% of your grade, assignments, quizzes, and exams. And then the midterm/final will be 10% of your grade. And so you can see there, something quick to note here is that for any assignments, quizzes, and exams, I do require you to submit a picture of your work, and you will be given points for showing your work. So most assignments, for instance, are going to be worth 15 points. 10 points are going to be based on accuracy, so how many of those questions you got correct. And then 5 points will be awarded for showing your work. And so you'll get that full credit if I see sufficient work is shown on all problems. If work isn't shown, then you won't get those full points. And that's going to be the same thing with quizzes and exams. For those, in order to get full credit, you have to show your work on every problem, and you will see more instructions on that for those quizzes and exams. And then click next and you see the syllabus. And now I finished clicking next and I see I have finished looking through all of those. So now if I go to class information, I see that that is complete. How-to information, that is really just going to show you how to submit a picture of your work, and there will be a practice assignment where you can practice doing that. Actually, let's go ahead and look through that. So click here, you can click next. You'll be able to read through all that on your own. And then this is what an assignment will look like. or one way that it can look like. So here you're going to just practice going through all these problems. You're going to write it all on a piece of paper, and then you're going to submit a picture of your work. And so to submit an assignment, you'll click Submit Assignment. And then you can click here for a file. And then here you can go ahead and upload your picture of your work. So let's say this was my picture. I can click on that, click Open, and then click Submit. And now I've submitted my assignment, and I will go through and grade that. And so then here is what a typical unit looks like. At the top, you'll see just again a pacing guide. So if you're wanting to complete it in a semester, you can see what you should do each day. So the first day I would do the solving linear equations folder and so on. I can go back to the unit by clicking on unit. And then at the top, I have just some extra resources for you. So this first one, extra resources, I have some extra practice problems. Let's say you're studying for the exam and you want some more practice solving equations. I have a worksheet here for you where you can just practice solving these problems. And then to check your work, you can hit next. And I have the key there for you so that you can look to see whether you did those problems correctly. The best way to study for any math quiz or exam is to just practice doing problems. So this is a great resource for you so that you can go ahead and get more reps doing problems. I also have some extra videos here for you. So let's say just my video is not cutting it, you're still not getting it, you're still not maybe getting absolute value equations. You can click here and I'll take you to another video, someone else explaining the concept. And then I also have filled in notes here, and these are the notes that I go through in the videos. So you can print these out or just have for reference for you. So those are the extra resources that's going to be available for each unit. And then I also have the guided notes here for you. So these are the blank notes so that you can fill these in with me as I go through them in the video. So they're available there, and they're also available in the lesson. So here we see that first lesson, solving linear equations. And each lesson is going to be set up the same. We'll have our learning goals. So this one is solve multi-step equations and solve literal equations for a specified variable. You'll have several videos. I like to break it up by topic so that you can just rewatch the specific topic that you may be struggling on. So let's say you want to rewatch literal equations. It's broken apart for you so that you can just watch that. So you'll watch these videos. My guided notes, again, are available here for you to print out and fill along with me in the video. And then I have some extra examples linked here. So if you just need more examples than are what in the videos, these are just some more examples worked out. So you can kind of see what's going on there. So the lesson will always come first, and then when you click next, you can get to the assignment. And most assignments will look like this. Where you do it, you enter in your answer, and then at the very end, you will again upload a picture of your work. So you hit upload file and put the picture of your work in the assignment. So I can finish and so on. And so that is how most of those lessons are set up. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Schoology. You can click on that envelope above and click new message. But other than that, I hope you enjoy the class and can't wait to meet you all.